I'm with Dr. Prema Kanya, a leading gynecologist in Mumbai, and today I'm looking forward to getting insights on menopause and hot flushes that take place during menopause. I am Namita Jain, a wellness specialist and a wellness author. Doctor, sometimes when you are going through these hormonal changes during
Yes.
perimenopause and menopause, and these hot flashes come without a warning, it can be extremely uncomfortable for the person who is experiencing it. So, I know that you cannot prevent it, but is there any ways in which one can deal with this better?
So, Namita,
Yeah.
hot flashes are actually one of the most distressing symptoms
Yes.
of perimenopausal
Yes.
and menopausal
Yes.
time, because, as you said, they occur anytime.
Right.
You may be working, you may be in office, you may be in a meeting, you may be operating,
Yeah.
and suddenly it is a hot flash. You don't know what to do.
Yes.
So, you have to learn to deal with it. At home, you may take a cold shower. You may request somebody to switch on the fan, or you may switch on the fan at a higher speed.
Right.
You may sit in an air conditioned environment, or if you are wearing layered clothes,
Yes.
in winter,
Yes.
you may be able to remove one layer for a short while
Yes.
and sit comfortably. But ultimately, you will learn to deal with it. You will
Right.
have to learn to deal with
Right.
it.
So I think each one has to find their own method to deal with it, whether it's splashing cold water, moving to a AC environment, maybe even using things like aloe vera, etc.
Correct.
On one's, packs on one's
Yes.
face. So
Any method to
yes,
cool, as you
yeah,
say.
right,
Plus, avoid excessive stimulants like caffeine and all.
yes,
So, hot coffee, or
yes, a spicy hot
spicy
food,
hot food, or
yes,
a lot of caffeine during the day and all can
yes,
be avoided by
yes.
those patients.
Thank you, Doctor. I think this is such a vital takeaway message that each one has to learn how to deal with the hot flashes. It is inevitable, it's part of a menopause stage in one's life. But thank you for sharing with us that we must learn to deal with life and with menopause.
Yes, we have to deal with life and menopause.
Thank you for
Great
this.
speaking to you, Namita.
Thank you for
Thank
your
you.
time, Doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.